Hello folks, welcome back to Martin's Adventure, and for today's episode, we're in a high school playoff football game here at the Grosso Parsons Sport Complex at the Immaculata LaSalle High School, where they're playing the first round of the high school playoffs here, and it's LaSalle High School versus Somerset Academy.
On the keeper, number 4, Jamari Johnson. Gain of 3. Royals time to rally. It's
So LaSalle High School is located in Coconut Grove, Florida, which is a suburb of Miami, Florida. And this is the stadium just got renovated on the stands. Where all new stands were built like a mini stadium on the west side. They haven't touched the east side, which is what you're seeing here. I should have gone around and recorded from the other side so you guys can see. Everything is beautiful on this side where I'm at. Concession stands, locker rooms, weight rooms, sports medicine rooms. That's part of Vizcaya. It's inside the school campus. Vizcaya is a museum that is located and donated all this land to the high school many years ago. But there's some artifacts still within the premises of the school that are protected. That building there on the right, that is the basketball arena of the school. That it was donated by the Miami Heat and Pat Riley, and that was built years ago when Pat Riley joined the Miami Heat. So I hope you enjoy this video here of high school football here in Miami. Go Royals! The Royals are the green jersey teams. And I'm going to leave you with the sights and sound of the game.
water break. Hey fans, it's your team, it's your time, so why not save time and avoid the hassle of waiting in line? No need for cash. Buy your tickets online at GoFan.co. That's GoFan.co. GoFan is the official online ticketing provider of the FHSAA. Delgato's pass is complete to number 8, and that's good for another Royals first down. The result of the penalty, it's another Royals first down. First and 10.
One more time. You see this? You see this? I mean, he does. He runs like this.
So folks, the final score of the game here in the first playoff game was 42-7 LaSalle beating Somerset Academy. So LaSalle advances to the regional playoff final game, and that'll be next weekend. I'll see you then. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the